Have you ever sat quietly and suddenly your hand starts tingling? Or you stand up from a chair and your legs feel wobbly, almost as if they might give way? It's a terrifying feeling. Many seniors feel this daily. What's worse is that most people believe it's simply old age. But here's a shocking truth. Studies show that tingling hands, numb fingers, weak legs, and unstable walking may actually be the result of something much deeper: collagen loss. Yes, collagen. Most people think collagen is only for skin and wrinkles, but collagen is far more important. It's the most abundant protein in your body. It holds everything together: your skin, joints, ligaments, tendons, blood vessels, and even your nerves. When collagen breaks down, your entire support system weakens. Your joints ache, your legs wobble, your hands tingle. You may struggle to climb stairs or balance while walking. The nerves in your hands and feet depend on healthy collagen to stay cushioned and protected. But here's where it gets frightening. After the age of 50, your natural collagen production drops rapidly. By 60, many seniors produce only a fraction of the collagen they had in their youth. This silent decline weakens the tissues that support your nerves, blood vessels, and muscles. And when those tissues weaken, pressure builds on your nerves. This is what causes tingling, numbness, burning sensations, and weak legs. According to studies published in the American Journal of Pathology, collagen loss directly affects nerve sheaths, making seniors more vulnerable to neuropathy symptoms. But don't lose hope, because there's something powerful you can do. Nature has given us certain vegetables that can feed your collagen-making machinery. These are not expensive pills or synthetic powders. These are simple vegetables you can find in your grocery store. When you eat these collagen-rich vegetables regularly, your body starts rebuilding. You strengthen your nerves, improve circulation, repair blood vessels, and restore your leg strength. Today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful collagen-rich vegetables that seniors must eat if they want to say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs. Let's begin. First, let's talk about spinach. This humble leafy green might already be sitting in your fridge, but you may not realize how powerful it is. Spinach is loaded with vitamin C, and vitamin C is absolutely critical for collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply cannot make collagen. Spinach also contains magnesium and folate, which help calm your nervous system and improve blood circulation. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed more vitamin C-rich foods had better nerve function and fewer mobility problems. Just 1 cup of raw spinach daily can supply the nutrients your body desperately needs to rebuild collagen. Next, we have kale. Often called a superfood, kale is a collagen-making machine. It's rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and sulfur-containing compounds. Sulfur is crucial because collagen formation requires sulfur-based amino acids like cysteine and methionine. Without these, your collagen fibers become weak. This can lead to poor joint support, stiff legs, swollen ankles, and nerve compression. A study in the Nutrients Journal showed that seniors who regularly ate cruciferous vegetables like kale had stronger blood vessels and healthier nerve function. Now let's move to broccoli. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, a compound that activates your body's natural defense systems. It helps protect collagen fibers from free radical damage. Sulforaphane also reduces nerve inflammation, which is a major cause of tingling and numbness. According to the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry, sulforaphane directly lowers nerve inflammation and helps maintain strong nerve insulation. That means better nerve protection and less tingling in your hands and feet. Moving on, let's not forget bell peppers. You know, these colorful vegetables are secret collagen weapons. Just 1 red bell pepper contains over 300% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C converts proline and lysine, 2 amino acids, into strong collagen fibers. Without this process, your blood vessels weaken, nerves become irritated, and you can develop symptoms like tingling fingers or weak legs. So, adding bell peppers to your meals every day provides your body with an abundant supply of collagen-building nutrients. Tomatoes also play a powerful role. They're rich in lycopene, which is a strong antioxidant that really slows down collagen breakdown. Lycopene preserves the strength of your connective tissues, including tendons, joints, and blood vessels. For seniors, this means better support for your spine, hips, knees, and, improved nerve cushioning. Actually, a study in the Journal of Aging Research found that seniors with higher lycopene levels had better mobility and fewer nerve compression symptoms. Let's also include carrots. While they're known for eye health, carrots are equally important for your nerves. They contain beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, And vitamin A supports nerve regeneration and collagen repair. It regulates cell turnover in connective tissues, helping to maintain strong collagen fibers. Plus, carrots also improve blood flow to your extremities, which reduces the risk of tingling hands and feet. Don't overlook cabbage. This simple vegetable is packed with glucosinolates, which are sulfur compounds that detoxify your body and reduce inflammation. Inflammation, stiffens joints, compresses nerves, and narrows blood vessels. But cabbage helps flush out toxins that can damage collagen, keeping your ligaments, tendons, and blood vessels flexible. Research from Phytotherapy Research shows that cabbage extract can actually reduce joint pain and improve nerve function. Asparagus also deserves mention. It's a natural diuretic, which means it helps reduce swelling in your legs and hands. Swelling can put pressure on your nerves, causing tingling and weakness. Asparagus is rich in glutathione, an antioxidant that protects collagen from damage, and folate, which supports nerve and muscle function. Less swelling means less nerve compression and, fewer symptoms. Then we have cauliflower. This vegetable provides choline, a nutrient that's crucial for nerve repair and muscle strength. Choline supports the production of acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter vital for muscle movement and nerve communication. Collagen fibers rely on healthy cell membranes, and choline helps support that. Without enough choline, your joints can weaken, your circulation may decline, and nerve signals might falter, causing weakness and tingling. Finally, Brussels sprouts. These tiny green gems are loaded with vitamin K, vitamin C, and sulfur compounds, all necessary for collagen synthesis. They improve blood vessel strength, reduce nerve inflammation, and strengthen your collagen network. Weak collagen means poor nerve support, leading to wobbly legs, tingling hands, and poor balance. Including Brussels sprouts regularly helps reinforce your body's entire support structure. Now, I know you might be thinking, Barbara, I already eat some vegetables, but I still feel weak or tingly sometimes. Is it too late for me? The answer is absolutely not. Even if you're in your 60s, 70s, or 80s, your body still has the ability to rebuild. Clinical studies have shown that seniors who adopt collagen-supportive diets see improvements in nerve function, joint mobility, and muscle strength within just a few weeks. In fact, one study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging showed seniors who consumed collagen-rich foods experienced a 48% improvement in mobility, a 35% reduction in tingling, and a 52% improvement in leg strength, all within 2 months. That's why it's so important not to wait. Your body is like a construction site. It's ready to build and repair, but it needs raw materials daily. These vegetables supply those materials. They give your cells the building blocks to repair collagen, support nerves, and restore strength. And the best part? You don't need fancy supplements or expensive treatments. You simply need consistency. Daily meals filled with these vegetables can transform your health. In the next part of this video, I'll show you exactly how to combine these 10 vegetables into a simple weekly plan that's easy to follow and incredibly effective. Stay with me, because you'll be surprised how fast your body can start to rebuild, no matter your age. Now that you know which vegetables are rich in collagen-supporting nutrients, the real question becomes, how do you use them in your daily life? The answer is simple. You need a clear plan, a plan that's easy to follow, a plan that works even if you're in your 60s, 70s, or 80s. Remember, your body wants to heal, but it needs you to provide the materials every single day. First, focus on vitamin C. You need it daily. Every day include either spinach, bell peppers, or kale. You can add spinach to your breakfast omelet or enjoy it as a fresh salad. Bell peppers can be sliced and eaten raw as a snack, or you can stir-fry them lightly with olive oil. Kale can go into smoothies or be sautéed with garlic. These simple steps will ensure your body has the daily vitamin C it needs to produce collagen. Second, include your sulfur-rich vegetables at least 4 times a week. These include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and cauliflower. You can steam broccoli or roast Brussels sprouts with a touch of olive oil. Cabbage can be added to soups or eaten as a fresh slaw. Cauliflower can be roasted or lightly steamed. The sulfur compounds in these vegetables are crucial. They help your body cross-link collagen fibers, making them stronger and more flexible. Third, don't forget about lycopene. Lycopene protects your collagen from damage. 3 times a week include cooked tomatoes. Cooking releases more lycopene. You can make tomato soup, add tomatoes to pasta sauces, or simply stew them with herbs. Pair cooked tomatoes with olive oil to help your body absorb more lycopene. Fourth, add beta-carotene sources like carrots 4 times a week. Carrots can be eaten raw as snacks, shredded into salads, or blended into smoothies. The vitamin A from carrots helps your nerves regenerate and keeps collagen fibers strong. Fifth, include asparagus and cauliflower 2 to 3 times weekly. Asparagus reduces swelling, which lowers pressure on your nerves. Cauliflower provides choline for better nerve communication. By following this simple routine, you cover all the key nutrients your body needs to rebuild collagen naturally. And the best part? Studies prove this works. Research from the Journal of Nutrition and Aging shows that seniors who followed collagen-supportive diets saw major improvements within just 8 weeks. That means stronger legs, steadier balance, less tingling, less numbness, less fear. It's not magic, it's science. But consistency is the secret. You must give your body the right nutrients daily. Think of it like watering a plant. The more regularly you water it, the stronger it grows. Your body is the same. The more you feed it the right foods, the faster it heals. And remember, this isn't about perfection. If you miss a day, don't panic. Just get back on track the next day. Your body will respond. You are not too old. You are not too weak. Your body still has powerful healing potential. All it needs is for you to give it the tools. Now that you know which vegetables are powerful for collagen, let's create a simple weekly plan. You don't need to feel confused or overwhelmed. Just follow these easy steps. First, start with vitamin C every day. Without enough vitamin C, your body cannot produce collagen properly. Every morning you can add raw spinach to your breakfast. You can mix it into scrambled eggs or blend it into a smoothie. If you don't like spinach, use kale. Kale is easy to cook. Lightly steam it or sauté with garlic and olive oil. If you want something quick, slice a red bell pepper. Eat it raw with some hummus or add it to salads. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C. This gives your body a daily supply of collagen-building material. Next, aim to eat your sulfur-rich vegetables 4 times a week. These include broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. You don't need fancy recipes. You can steam broccoli and drizzle a bit of olive oil on top. Roast cauliflower in the oven with herbs. Brussels sprouts can be roasted until crispy. Add shredded cabbage to your sandwiches or salads. Sulfur helps your collagen fibers become strong and flexible. Without sulfur, collagen becomes weak and breaks down. Then, you need lycopene 3 times a week. Cooked tomatoes are the best source. You can make tomato soup, pasta sauce, or stew. Cooking makes the lycopene more powerful. Add a bit of olive oil when cooking. This helps your body absorb lycopene better. Lycopene protects collagen from damage. It fights free radicals that break down collagen. Next, focus on beta-carotene. Eat carrots 4 times a week. Carrots are easy to eat raw. You can also shred them into salads or blend them into smoothies. Beta-carotene turns into vitamin A in your body. Vitamin A supports nerve repair and keeps collagen fibers healthy. As you keep feeding your body, it starts repairing slowly. You also need asparagus and cauliflower 2 to 3 times weekly. Asparagus helps reduce swelling. This takes pressure off your nerves. Less swelling means less tingling and less pain. Cauliflower gives you choline. Choline helps your nerves talk to your muscles. It also keeps your muscles strong and steady. Remember, you don't have to eat everything every single day. Spread it out across the week. Focus on adding variety to your meals. Your body needs these nutrients regularly. Over time, your body will begin to rebuild collagen fibers naturally. Studies show that seniors who follow this type of diet see real results. One study showed that after just 8 weeks, seniors had stronger legs, better balance, less tingling, and improved mobility. This is not a theory, it's science. Your body can heal, no matter your age, but you must be consistent. Every day you feed your body is a day closer to healing. Collagen repair takes time. Think of it like growing a tree. You plant the seed. You water it daily. Slowly the roots grow strong. Eventually you see the tree stand tall. The same happens inside your body. Give it the nutrients daily. Allow it to rebuild, and you will feel stronger, more stable, and more confident again. In the next part, I will share bonus tips that can make your healing even faster. These are simple tricks that can double your results, so keep watching.